In this video, we are going to see how we can fix this Steam fatal error which says Steam needs to be online to update. Please confirm your network connection and try again. So let me show you a quick solution for this, and without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, just click OK to get rid of this error or close from the top. And then we go to the start menu and right here control panel, hit enter. Once you're in the home, view by should be changed to category view, and you click on network and internet. After that, just click on network and sharing center and click on change adapter settings. After that, just make sure to right click on this and click on disable and try re-enabling that. So that might help and solve your problem. Something else you can do is you just go to the start menu right here, CMD, right click and run as administrator. If it asks you for the user command prompt like this, click yes. And you just write this simple command. Let me just zoom it a little bit so that you can see it clearly. We will write ipconfig, give a space / and right here flush DNS and press enter. And it will say here successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And after that, just try closing and relaunching the application. If it still shows the problem, just try restarting your computer once so that all the changes are made effective. And that's how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.